Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see steps to generate the network-wise report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. From the Accounts module, go to the Job Reports Accounts menu. From the Job Reports Accounts menu, select the Network-wise Report menu. On this network-wise report page, we have to give the date range, from date, to date, then click Submit button. Now, a network-wise report has been displayed on the screen. If required to fix a specific column in the network-wise report, select the columns and fix it. To download a network-wise report, click Options, select Download, choose the CSV format. Now, the network-wise report has been downloaded successfully. These are the steps to download the network-wise report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.